Okay, so this would be one way of importing that image to use, and you could just tilt it, make it into a hole or something. But what I almost forgot was the whole point of this was to use the SVG revolver shape. All right, doesn't look like much, does it? It's a little tube. All right, I can load a picture here. I'm going to drag a file. So I had to resize a couple windows here, but I just drag that SVG file straight onto that spot, and now it appears. It always takes a little while for this to show up. So while that happens, I will fix some of these things. Sketch height, we want it to be much taller than 5 millimeters. Can I go higher? Like 50? No, it's maxing me out at 20. That's fine. I'll stick with 20 and then make it larger later. The inside diameter, I want the rotation to be 90. And you can actually see this updating. Whoa, I'm gonna hit F to zoom in. So I've actually taken that shape and wrapped it in a circle, and there's a hole going all the way through the inside. Great. The revolve. Oh no, I actually want the sketch rotation to be. Oh, it was just waiting to update. There we go. There's the 90. Yes, I want it to turn in that direction. The revolve angle can be majorly reduced to about the angle I need for the holder, which is, I don't know, 70 something. And I think if I want the turn to be a little, the arc to be a little wider, I can make this inside diameter bigger, I think. What if I go all the way up? Huh. Well, that's pretty good. And let's make this revolve angle exactly 70 so I can line it up. I'm just going to type that into the shape menu. Cool. What the heck am I going to do with this? Well, first thing is I want to rotate it so it's standing up like this. And then the second thing is I want to tilt it back so that this part is flat. So now I don't want to use the snap inside. I want to go to the outside, and I actually need exactly 20. So why can't I see the thing? I just didn't zoom out enough. I'm just going to type in exactly 20 because I said that this is a 70-degree arc. And so that means if I tilt it by 20, it's now flat on the bottom. Okay, I hit D to get that back up on the surface. And right, we are on the way. So I want to make it bigger now. This is a good time to make it bigger, and I can just kind of compare to whatever was happening over here. That's pretty good. I think even a little bigger would be good. So it's a little taller than this one now. Oh, maybe just a little bit less. But that's fine. Let's just leave it like this. Okay, so now I just need some bottom pieces. Let me just quickly throw some other shapes on there, like boxes. Let's make a strong bottom that overlaps with this and goes forward far enough. And then I'm just going to copy and paste that box so it's exactly the same length. I'm going to line it up. Well, let's make it shorter now. And let's tilt it back, not quite to 90, but it's just going to get placed on there and lined up. I hit D to move it up, and it definitely needs to go forward. And I think we're doing pretty good here. How does this look if I line it up? Pretty close. So I think maybe just back this up a little bit. But that's it. And so now I have a BTS phone holder.